Hello, welcome to Chess Prime. As part of this video, we are going to see how to generate a toon format or toon object from the Java object. So that we are going to see it. The toon is very useful in place of when the interaction is happening between the our application to AI or LLM models. Because a toon will generate less number of token size compared to the JSON format. So due to that, we are going to achieve the cost optimization and it will improve the performance as well. So that's the main benefit of the toon. So to generate the toon, we are going to use the Java program or Java object to convert the Java object in the tool form. So that we are going to see it. So let's get started. So I have opened my IntelliJ. I'm going to create a simple Maven project. So let me create it. So I'm going to create a simple Maven project. So I'm going to give Java obj to toon. So this is my project name. I had given the Java obj to a toon format, and I'm going to select the org type is a quick type. So I'm going to use the JDK 25, and you can see there are some default group ID, artifact ID. It's just trying to populate. So com.test I had given the package name group ID, and this is a simple one. So let's get started. Now we can see the project got generated, and we can see this is the project and this is the pom.xml. It got generated. So inside the src we can see the basic Java app. It got generated, right? So what I'm going to do, right? So this is a simple Maven project, and we are going to use some of the Maven dependency to generate to convert the Java object into the toon format. So for that purpose we are going to use some of the Maven dependency, so that we are going to take it from the standard GitHub project of the from the toon. So let me show you that one. If we see, this is the official GitHub project, what we are going to use it for the toon conversion. If we come down little bit, we can see, you can look for the JToon, one of the formats. So Java toon. So you can click this link and you will be navigating to the different GitHub project. So there we can able to see the dependencies. So if you see, there is a variety of dependency. It is going to support Gradle, Gradle with Kotlin, or we are going to use now, as part of this demo we are going to use the Maven dependency. You can take this dependency and then come back to your Maven project, and you can paste the dependency of the tool. So this is the first step. So you need to add the a dependency, JToon dependency into your Maven project, and then you can start writing the a simple program. So if you come back to the a main application, right? So this is our main application, and we can see so far it just generated a simple sysout. We don't have any major logic. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to write two simple classes to populate the data. So instead of writing the class name, I'm going to use the record type which got introduced in JDK 16. So let me write the two simple classes with the help of record. We can see now I have included two classes. One is user and the second one is data. So inside the data we are going to inject the user class and additional field called address, and inside the user we are taking the ID, name, a list of tags, and one of the boolean value. So these are the two classes we are going to use to create the Java object, and then finally we are going to convert this Java object into the toon format, so that we are going to see it. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to create this user and data objects, and I will populate some of the sample data. So let me do that one. See, now what I did, I have just created a user object and populated some of the values as part of the constructor, and again I created data object and populated the required details for this constructor like user and one of the address. So these are the two objects is ready. Now what I'm going to do, what I need to do, I want to convert this data object or Java object into the toon format. So that's the main purpose. So let me do that one. So to convert this Java object into the tool format, we are going to use one of the inbuilt class which we are getting from the dependency what we have added, right? So this is JToon. we are going to use the JToon, and then we are going to use the encode. So this encode method we are going to call it, and we are going to pass the data object, and then it will return the a string, and that is in the format of a toon. So let me take it. So now we got the a toon format which got converted from Java to toon format. So let me print this one into the console. So what I'm going to do, let me add Java to toon format, and let me print that one. So now we are going to see the generated toon format, generated toon object, right? So let me print this value in the console, that we are going to verify it. So let me build this project, let me run it. So now we can see we are getting the output, we are getting the results. We can see Java to toon format, and we can able to see the toon objects, the toon format. If we observe very closely, so we don't have any here comma, or we don't have any flower bracket. So that's the basic difference between the JSON and toon. So this generated format we can send to a or LLM model directly, so that will save the cost, and also it will improve the performance. So that's the main benefit of the toon format. Okay, this is a very simple code. Basically we are just trying to use the toon library class, and we are going to use the encode, and you can pass the Java object, and you will be getting back the toon format. So that's very simple. Yes, I think that's all about this video. If you like the video, you can subscribe the channel for more subsequent updates, and thank you.